Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the previous lessons, we read about the movements Fatha, Kasra, and Dhamma. And then we also read about the sounds that when these three movements come on any letter, so what will be the sound of that letter? So we read some letters with these movements. And now in this lesson, we have 8 letters. So we are going to read these letters with movements in this lesson. So before starting, we have to read Ta'awuz and Tasmiyah. I'm reading, so read with me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So the first letter we have here is Ra. Okay. So when Ra has Fatha, so we will read it like Ra, Fatha, Ra. First we have to read the letter, then the sign, and then at the end, sound. So Ra is the letter, sign is Fatha, and then the sound is Ra. Ra, Fatha, Ra. As you can see, this Ra, which has Fatha on it, is in the green color, and also the Ra, which has Dhamma on it, is in the green color. So this shows us that when Ra has Fatha or Dhamma, so then we have to read the Ra bold. Whenever Ra has Fatha or Dhamma on it, then we have to read it bold, as we were reading the other bold letters like Ta, Sad, Wa. So same for the Ra when it has Fatha or Dhamma upon it. So we were reading Ra, Fatha, Ra. The next is Ra has Kasra here. Ra, Kasra, Ri. It will be soft, not bold, because Ra has Kasra here. So we have to read it light. Ra, Kasra, Ri. And then the next one, Ra has Dhamma here. Ra, Dhamma, Ru. Ra, Dhamma, Ru. The sounds will be Ra, Ri, Ru. The next letter we have is Ta. This is one of the bold letters, so you have to read it bold. Ta, Fatha, Ta. Ta has Fatha here. So first we will read the letter, then the sign, and at the end, sound. Ta, Fatha, Ta. Ta, Fatha, Ta. Next is Ta, Kasra, Tui. Ta has Kasra here. Ta, Kasra, Tui. Next, Ta has Dhamma here. Ta, Dhamma, Tu. Ta, Dhamma, Tu. Sounds are Ta, Tui, Tu. Ta, Tui, Tu. The next letter we have is Dal. And Dal has Fatha upon it. So Dal, Fatha, Da. Dal, Fatha, Da. Next, Dal has Kasra. Dal, Kasra, Di. Dal, Kasra, Di. And then Dal has Dhamma. Dal, Dhamma, Du. Dal, Dhamma, Du. Sounds will be Da, Di, du, da, di, du. Next letter is ta. So ta has fatha here. So first we have to read the letter, then the sign, and then sound. Ta, fatha, ta. Ta, fatha, ta. Now ta has kasra. Ta, kasra, ti. Ta, kasra, ti. Ta has dhamma. Ta, dhamma, tu. Ta, dhamma, tu. The sounds will be ta, ti, tu. Ta, ti, tu. Next letter we have is swad. This is also one of the bold letters. So make sure you read it bold. Swa, fatha, swa. Swad, fatha, swa. Swad, fatha, swa. Swad, kasra, swi. Swad, kasra, swi. Then swad had dhamma. Swad, dhamma, su. Swad, dhamma, su. Sounds will be swa, swi, su. Swa, swi, su. Next letter is sin. First up, sin has fatha on it. So first the letter, then sign, and then we will read the sound. Sin, fatha, sa. Sin, fatha, sa. Next up, sin has kasra here. Sin, kasra, si. Sin, kasra, si. Then sin has dhamma. Sin, dhamma, su. Sin, dhamma, su. And the sounds will be sa, si, su. Sa, si, su. Next letter we have is za. And first up, za has fatha upon it. So za, fatha, za. Za, fatha, za. Then za has kasra underneath it. Za, kasra, zi. Za, kasra, zi. Then at the end, za has dhamma upon it. Za, dhamma, zu. Za, dhamma, zu. The sounds will be za, zi, zu. Za, zi, zu. The next letter we have here is dwa. And first up, dwa has fatha upon it. Dwa, fatha, dwa. Dwa, fatha, dwa. Then dwa has kasra here. Dwa, kasra, dwi. Dha kasra, ghi. And then dha has dhamma, dha dhamma, dhu. Dha dhamma, dhu. And the sounds will be dha, dhi, dhu. So now we've completed these 8 letters and we read these 8 letters with fatha, with kasra and with dhamma, and we read the sounds also. Now I'm reading just the sounds again, so you have to read with me. Ra, ri, ru, ta, tri, tu, da, di, du, ta, ti, tu, swa, sri, su, sa, si, su, za, zi, zu, va, ri, dhu. So now you have to practice these 8 letters and also the previous letters we've completed before. So now in the next lesson, we will read the remaining letters with fatha, kasra and dhamma.